This was supposed to be a gingerbread brownie ice protein coffee, but instead it's a gingerbread vanilla bean. I ran into trouble in the kitchen, but it's still gonna be good. Let me show you how to make it. Merry Christmas Eve. I have to work today. I'll get the rest of the week off, so it's well worth it. I'm gonna do iced coffee. Is it like 20 degrees outside? We're doing iced coffee? Yeah. I told you guys about this before, but I literally swear by it, okay? Bloom Collagen Colostrum. I've lost over 200 pounds. Lost a ton of hair, and I have been struggling to grow my hair back. You guys have seen my hair. If you haven't, go. This is not my hair, okay? These are extensions, but my hair is growing. I'm not taking the extensions out. It'd probably go faster if I did. But I've been back to get my hair done since I've been doing this. The girls do my hair. They're like, what are you doing? Because your hair growth is insane. It's this, okay? I'm gonna put on the screen July, then when my hair was in October, and then I got my hair colored again recently, and I had grown another ½ an inch. Might not sound like a lot to you, but as a person who's been struggling to grow their hair back, it's a lot for me. I'm telling you the results. It's working. I have a coffee whipping up over there, so we need that. Ice, baby. Just don't spill it all over the counter. You can easily make this coffee hot. You don't have to make it cold, okay? Just obviously don't use the ice and use hot coffee, okay? And you can heat your protein shake up too. All right, I'm gonna use salted caramel skinny sauce because you know me, everything needs a sauce, but of course we need a skinny mixes. So I'm gonna use gingerbread skinny mixes. However much you want, I like a lot, but it just depends on how sweet you like your stuff. Coffee, obviously. Sometimes we gotta pivot in what we're doing. My milk, she was sour, okay? I'm sweet, not sour. So this is why I keep pre-made shakes on me, okay? Because I can't keep milk fresh in the house. So, you know, I plan to make a gingerbread brownie protein coffee, but we're switching things up, okay? Vanilla bean skinny syrup in this. After I just used a ton of gingerbread, she's gonna be sweet girl. She's gonna be real sweet, okay? A vanilla protein shake. Improvise. I think we need to make that gingerbread brownie sometime, okay? Can we do gingerbread after Christmas? Can we do that? How about a red velvet whipped topping? Because I'm feeling festive today. This was at Aldi. My friend Sharon, she's like, Larissa, they got red velvet at Aldi. I found it. So we're going to do it. Ooh, you can't see it, but it's got like a pink tint to it. We're matching. And just because I can salted caramel skinny sauce on top, it just makes her extra gorgina. How about some holiday sprinkles? All right, taste test. I'm a mess, but this is so good. If I see you before Christmas, Merry Christmas. I hope you have the best day. If I'm catching you after Christmas, I hope you had the most magical day. Love you guys.